What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet, your hometown dealership. We're in service right now because we are talking about an 1895 oil change. Wait, that can't be right. 1895 oil change?
1895 oil change.
Really?
That's right.
Come on, bro. We're talking about a car, right? Not like a motorcycle?
Yep.
1895 oil change. Melloy Chevrolet. All you got to do is click the link. You're going to get your coupon. You're going to bring it on in. You'll see Josh or any of our advisors here, and they're going to hook you up. So click the link, get details on that, because that is incredible. An 1895 oil change. I mean, no kidding. You can't even get your lawnmower changed for that. So get down here and get your oil change this month. We've got all kinds of service specials going on besides that. No matter what you're looking for, if you're looking for tires or brake specials or whatever, we are going to hook you up. So if you are looking for vehicle service, you need to get down here, because this can't last. Can it?
No.
No, this can't last. We can't do that all month. So you need to get down here quick. Click the link, get your coupon, come down and see us. You can schedule online. You can go online with the link that we've got here. You can go to melloychevrolet.com. But click that link, get your coupon, and then come on down, because 1895 oil change, I mean, there ain't nobody doing that. So get down here and see us. Check us out online at melloychevrolet.com. Give us a phone call, 505-866-3000, or just get on down here. Exit 203, Interstate I-25, easy to find, easy to deal with. We're Melloy Chevrolet, your hometown dealership, with breaking 1895 oil change special news. So get down here. Come on. Click that link, get your coupon, come on down and see us. 1895, that's crazy. Come on down and see us. This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet. Come on, people, let's go.